Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the trunk sizing, and agent requirement. Capacity planning is not something that is easily done, but the people who are responsible for that needs to ensure that you have a sufficient amount of SIP trunk that can handle the number of agent and the number of calls that you're expecting. So let's go and discuss what are the formula we need to follow to ensure that our network is designed to ensure it can handle the capacity. You could have more than one type of trunk that you have already established, but sometimes you may not even know that there are more than one trunk that you have. For example, there is a trunk between your service provider with your call manager. There could be a trunk between the Cisco provider with your contact center. There's a trunk between the VPOP with your call manager. And then there is a trunk between your local gateway or a cloud connected PSTN. It is not unheard that a company might have more than one type of connectivity. For example, let's take a look at myself. I have a PSTN connection with WebEx and a cloud connected partner. Oh, sorry, Cisco bundle partner PSTN. At the same time, I also have a SIP trunk coming from my WebEx calling to my office in Toronto. This allows me to kind of have use the PSTN for regular PSTN call and use the local gateway for my on-premises call. Now, when I am designing a network like that, I need to make sure that these trunk can handle the number of agent call that I need based on the billability. So how do you define a sizing of a trunk? So first of all, let's take a look at how many agents you might have. If you have 100 agent, then the enterprise trunk size should be twice that amount of agent. Plus the number of supervisors. So if you have 5 supervisor, you will take 10. So you got 200 plus 10. And then maximum calls that you want in the queue. Now this is something that is configurable. That means if you say, well, look, I don't care how many calls coming in, but I don't want more than 10 calls in my queue. What will happen subsequent call? Obviously, it will abandon because there will not be space in the queue. Or you could say in your script that if the number of calls in the queue is greater than 10, then maybe send the calls to voicemail or ask the customers to call back. Or maybe give the customer an option so that the system will call them back when an agent becomes available. So a lot of companies, when they're designing this, they will make sure that their queue is not unnecessarily full. If you have 10 employees or agent, there is no point of having 50 calls in the queue waiting